Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fly in Google Maps. So firstly, in order to fly in Google Maps, you need to open any of the web browser that you prefer. And in the top, there's an address bar. Type down Google Earth and enter it. And over here, what you need to do is select this Google Earth in the top. And once you reach into this home page, you need to select this Explore Earth in the top right. And here, once you get into this interface, in the top left, you can select or search Google Earth here. And you can select any of the location. And after that, what you need to do is select this tools in the top. And over here, you need to select this flight simulator. And that is it. This is how you can fly in Google Maps. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.